Yeah, warm summer day. Come on, girls. Oh, there's something. She ate some stick. Stupid girl. Some clouds. Yeah, blue sky, some wind. It's good. About 20 degrees. So nice weather. Now you are blocking the whole walkway. Come on, other side. I love this almost end of summertime. July, August, the best time of the summer, I think. Early summer is nice, springtime, but I love this time. Nights are getting darker here in south of Finland, or should I say southeast. By the river, not the Bubbling River. Like, was it Boney M singing that? Yeah, by the river of Babylon. I'm not the singer, sorry. Yeah. I have so-called deaf ear for singing. Boy. She's finding something there, or just eating grass, I think. Always after some rodents, she's always, whenever finds them, rats or mice or whatever, she kills them immediately like a terrier, shaking her head like crazy and biting. She's a mix of terrier and dachshund, so that's why she's digging all the time and trying to find them. She's just sniffing around. Would be nice to have a dog park here, because there's a lot of dogs in this area. And the dog park is just the other side of this town. It's not a big town, but anyway, because there's a lot of space back there vacant for dog park, and it was planned about 2 years ago to build their dog park, but for some reason they didn't do that. Stupid decision not to build. There's only 2 dog parks here, I think. Yeah, and the other one is even about 6 kilometers away. No, it's not far away. Oh, bicycle coming. Yes, it's not far away, but if you walk with these dogs to there and then they are playing with other dogs, yeah, you know, they're gonna be really tired and taking a long time to walk back. Yeah. Now she's after something. And here the river opens up to Lake Saimaa, Grand Saimaa. It's the biggest lake in Finland. It's not deep, but biggest. And from that lake you can travel wherever sea you want. Caribbean or Mediterranean or wherever. There's a canal to the sea next to Finland, around half of Finland. So from there you can sail to anywhere. Yeah. Come on, you. Found something interesting smelling there. Probably other dog. And marking. Sure. Yeah, this is a nice area to walk with dogs. Usually there's a lot of dogs. So far seen 6 of them. And people love this area. A lot of walkers and the bicycle riding here. Even winter time, this is nice. If it's cold enough winter, you can walk across this river. If it's cold enough, but last 3 winters it's been water on the ice, and because we are really south of Finland, just 2.5 hours north from our capital Helsinki. Hey, you two, move your legs. That's it for now. This is just a brief video from the area where I live. See you later.